ano yung mga red flags sa isang client? How will we know if legit yun?
So, yung isang litmus test ko para malaman yung isang client na may budget or babaratin ako is, are they willing to invest in a tool? Especially if core siya na tool. Say for example, are they willing to invest on their website? Are they even willing to invest on advertising or marketing? Bakit siya red flag on my end kung wala silang budget? Now, may nakwento sa amin kagabi si JTL wherein sabi niya, the goal of a business is to stay in business for as long as it can. So if that specific business cannot even invest in their tools or in their marketing, then how do you know or how sure are you that that specific business would also invest in you as a freelancer? So mangyayari dyan para magka-cascade lang siya na magiging micromanager kasi nga they don't even invest in themselves eh. So parang what's the point? So para sa akin, that's my litmus test na I would not take on a client if wala silang budget for their tool or wala silang budget for their marketing. Kasi they're not really in a business. It is just a hobby.